I'm Elizabeth Block, and I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade nature studies, as well as 6th and 7th grade faith formation, and 7th grade math, along with 8th grade algebra 1/2. So this is my second year teaching here at St. Thomas the Apostle Catholic School, and I'm really excited to share with you what I love about St. Thomas and a little bit of what I teach here. So I'd like to start with nature studies. So this is an example of a unit of nature studies here at St. Thomas. We use the FOSS science curriculum. So this is a student text. What I love about teaching FOSS is we get to do a lot of hands-on activities, which I will insert some footage of at the end of my presentation here. So this is what the textbook looks like for Earth history. I love teaching Earth history. I actually have a degree in geology from Penn State. In nature studies, students are responsible for keeping up their science notebook. So their science notebook is a really good way to teach them organization skills, the scientific method. They have a table of contents in their science notebooks. They have a glossary in the back. They're asked to record observations during an experiment, record their procedures, and it's really good practice for them. I teach both Spirit of Truth and Theology of the Body. So with Spirit of Truth, one of my favorite things that I have students do is memorize scripture verses. So they have the opportunity to memorize scripture verses and present them to the class. And it's just really beautiful to see them exercise that skill and use it for God's glory. I also am so proud to be a part of a school that teaches theology of the body. I thoroughly enjoy teaching this class, and I think it is very important for them to learn, especially at this age. It's a beautiful curriculum. This is the text that I use for teaching math. This is Algebra 1/2, and it's Saxon. My favorite thing about teaching here at St. Thomas School is the students, the community, and that we're Christ-centered. So we begin every class with a prayer. Students go to Mass almost every day, and adoration on Fridays. And it's just a really, really beautiful, faithful community.
Hello. Today, we are conducting an experiment to measure the amount of carbon dioxide made by mixing citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, and 100 milliliters of water. So to start out, we shall add 2 milliliters of sodium bicarbonate, there we go, to the glass container.
Then we will take 2 milliliters of the citric acid and put it into the 100 milliliters of water.
Mix the citric acid with the water until it's dissolved. While we do that, Stas, will you please put the cap on? And we put this cap on so no carbon dioxide escapes from the syringe. And that looks dissolved enough.
We'll take 2 milliliters of the solution.
Press down firm and press down with the cap. And there it goes. 20, 22, 23, 24.
24 milliliters.
24 milliliters of carbon dioxide.